The problem with the budget is people are expecting too much, and that in itself might be the challenge. But as we've seen with the government, they haven't sort of really left it to one milestone date to do things. They've been doing the ordinances already soon after Parliament session got over last time. The RBI has come outside of a policy date and announced interest rates. So we just hope this will be an ongoing momentum rather than a big bang budget or a big bang particular policy date.
Do you see growth reviving because of the changes that happened this week, last week with the RBI coming up, surprising the market with the 25 basis points rate cut? Do you see the investment mood or the demand picking up?
Well, I was at the Vibrant Gujarat, and it was very obvious that the government is very, very keen to grow the Made in India thing, and that's not going to revive unless they make it happen. So they'll have to enable it to achieve their own basic mantra of Made in India. So I am very, very optimistic.
We are expecting like this, that we get a spirit, a signal, lot of projects in, and an impetus for growth. Everything is there, we need to now grow. So I hope budget will give us the right kind of input for such an impetus for growth.
Do you think the excise duty hike was a kind of dampener here?
Yes, it was, but we have to move on, and we have to see what comes in terms of the budget and how we can grow from here as an industry, automobile industry.
How do you see 2015 for the auto industry? Do you think?
I think I have a lot of hopes that it will rebound in 2015.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.